Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be making this seahorse sculpture, mostly from cutlery and a chainsaw blade. Quite happy with the way it came out, already sold it, so that's made me even happier, of course. And this is my first video in quite a while. My old workshop was getting quite dank and mouldy in places and quite full. So I spent the summer rebuilding my workshop bigger and supposedly better and more organised, or at least it was more organised until a little while back. As per usual, it's now a mess. But we get that sorted out soon, hopefully. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Let's get cracking. Right, so we're going to make a start with this. I've already drawn it out on the piece of metal here to give me an idea, and I've already cut and laid out a chainsaw blade to do the back part. Guess it's a backbone. There, backbones. I don't know. So anyway, so I'm going to start off by welding that in place as we've got it held right now, and then hopefully it should look good. Let's get started on that. Which I've already found this piece, already planned this out, as I've said in the bit. It's got a nice little rose, I guess, pattern on the front, so I'm going to bend that around to make that shape. And I need to heat that up to do that, and hopefully I won't burn my hands. Let's try it without first. Viral. Cheered. In the heat it up. There we go. We've got the nice shape there. I'm going to cut that off where it gets really thin. Let's do that. Some more spoons to add, and bits more. Ooh. Body. Guess I'm gonna get a bit thicker in the middle, which I would think it would do. No, truly on a seahorse, like nice flat bodies, better in the middle. and I'm gonna space them out equal with these lines here. Is my plan anyway. I need to work out a few of these, get these cut to the right lengths. Okay, so obviously we want to start at the bottom. I'm going to go there. And go match the other side. Do my arch enemy symmetry. Okay. Maybe a bit tricky. Very smart that. Cross, I'd see that on both. Get the gist of that. Weld him on.
If everything else with the coordinates when that's completed, you got